In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete trust and verification on Freelancer to reach 100% profile. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to the Freelancer website. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner for your profile avatar. Click it, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. This takes you to the main area where you control account preferences and security. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Trust and Verification. Click that, and you'll land on the page that helps you complete the verification process and boost your profile completion to 100%. This is where Freelancer confirms your identity and account ownership, which builds credibility with clients and often unlocks more opportunities. On this page, you'll typically see items like identity verification, phone and email verification, and sometimes payment verification or linking supported accounts. Follow the prompts shown on your screen. If you're asked to upload an ID, make sure the document is valid, not expired, and that your legal name matches the name on your Freelancer profile. If it doesn't, update your profile name before you submit. Use a clear, well-lit photo of the document, avoiding glare or blur, and ensure all corners are visible. If a selfie or live check is required, allow camera permissions, remove hats or glasses, and keep good lighting so your face is clearly visible. For phone verification, confirm your country code and enter a number you can access right away. When you receive the code, type it in promptly. For email, check your inbox and spam folders for the confirmation message and click the verification link. If you're prompted to verify a payment method, use a method in your own name and have any necessary bank or card details on hand. Avoid using VPNs during verification and make sure your internet connection is stable so uploads don't fail. After you complete the prompts, you should see check marks appear beside each verification item. Some checks approve instantly, others may require a short review. If anything gets rejected, read the reason carefully, fix the issue. Often it's clarity or a name mismatch, and resubmit. When everything is approved, your profile completion meter should reach 100%. Refresh the page to confirm. That's it. You've navigated to trust and verification, completed the required checks, and finished the process. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects on Freelancer.